Clark & Associates are proud to present the RIVERBEND acreage in Glenrock, Wyoming. This 9.74 deeded acre property is located 10 miles east of Glenrock and 20 miles west of Douglas along the North Platte River. The RIVERBEND acreage is a unique opportunity to enjoy waterfront country living with substantial income opportunity. In addition to water rights to pump water from the river, this stretch of the North Platte River provides fishing opportunity for trout and catfish from a private dock. The property is horse-ready and fenced into 5 paddocks. There is also a 720 square foot loafing shed and private access to state lease ground for trail riding. There are 24 commercial RV hookups on the property with water, power, and septic, all permitted with the State of Wyoming. These RV spots have allowed the owners to enjoy significant commercial income in the past years, and P&Ls are available for buyer's inspection. The 1,560 square foot machine shed also includes an insulated room with a 1,500 gallon cistern for the RV park. There is also an additional cistern underground that is 1,700 gallons, and there are 2 wells on the property. The 780 square foot detached 2-car garage has 2 overhead doors and is spray foam insulated. The home is 1,500 square feet on the main level, with a 1,500 square foot walkout basement and oversized garage. It features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and overlooks the river. The basement is currently rented out as an apartment and has its own private access. The RIVERBEND acreage, a waterfront horse property with commercial opportunity.